50 cleverly crafted tests about prepositions in at and to. Let's get started. What time do you usually arrive? School? What time do you usually arrive at school? They went. The beach last weekend. They went to the beach last weekend. She's. The museum admiring the artwork. She's at the museum admiring the artwork. She lives. New York. She lives in New York. We have a meeting. 3 p.m. We have a meeting at 3 p.m. Let's go. The park for a picnic. Let's go to the park for a picnic. She's. The concert enjoying the music. She's at the concert enjoying the music. We love. A small apartment. We live in a small apartment. Let's meet. The cafe for lunch. Let's meet at the cafe for lunch. The movie starts. 7:30. The movie starts at 7:30. They live. A beautiful neighborhood. They live in a beautiful neighborhood. We arrived. The airport early. We arrived at the airport early. He's allergic. Peanuts. He's allergic to peanuts. They arrived the museum before it closed. They arrived at the museum before it closed. We're going the beach this weekend. We're going to the beach this weekend. We're having dinner home tonight. We're having dinner in home tonight. The store closes 9 p.m. The store closes at 9 p.m. She's going visit her grandmother. She's going to visit her grandmother. There. The beach surfing on the waves. They're at the beach surfing on the waves. She's the classroom teaching students. She's in the classroom teaching students. They are flying Paris tomorrow. They are flying to Paris tomorrow. He's good. Basketball. He's good at basketball. We're going the concert this weekend. We're going to the concert this weekend. I am sitting the car. I am sitting in the car. She's waiting the bus stop for her friend. She's waiting at the bus stop for her friend. Let's go. A walk along the river. Let's go to a walk along the river. There. The party dancing the night away. They're at the party dancing the night away. She's going. The swimming pool. She's going to the swimming pool. We arrived. The party late. We arrived at the party late. They are going. The supermarket. They are going to the supermarket. The cat is hiding. The closet. The cat is hiding in the closet. He's the gym working on his fitness goals. He's at the gym working on his fitness goals. We're going. The zoo on Saturday. We're going to the zoo on Saturday. They are swimming. The pool. They are swimming in the pool. The class starts 9 a.m. The class starts at 9 a.m. Let's go. A picnic in the park. Let's go to a picnic in the park. The concert is the stadium. The concert is at the stadium. The keys are the ignition. The keys are in the ignition. She's allergic. Seafood. She's allergic at seafood. Let's go. A trip. Let's go to a trip. They arrived. The airport just in time. They arrived at the airport just in time. The dog is lying. The sun. The dog is lying in the sun. Let's meet. The library to study. Let's meet at the library to study. They're going. A vacation to Italy. They're going to a vacation to Italy. She's waiting. Her friend's car. She's waiting at her friend's car. He's. The classroom teaching students. He's in the classroom teaching students. The party is. My friend's house. The party is at my friend's house. We're going. Visit our relatives next weekend. We're going to visit our relatives next weekend. He's. The car driving to work. He's in the car driving to work. She's good. Playing the piano. She's good at playing the piano. Please show your support by subscribing to the channel, liking and sharing the video, and leaving your beautiful comments. Your feedback motivates us to create more and better content.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and support us with likes and comments.